Welcome you once again to today's video. Today I'm going to solve the integral of x ln x. So that's x multiplied by ln x. Recently my friend came and we were doing differential equations in class, so he encountered this integral and actually he had a problem with solving it, but I showed him, so I just thought it's good if I share with you the integral of x ln x. Okay, so it's not a big deal. I'm going to show you how it's done, and quickly we're going to solve it. Okay, so let's get started. So here the integral of x ln x dx. Okay, so this is a function x ln x where we have two functions multiplying each other. That's function x and function ln x. So generally we have a certain method or a certain formula that we're going to use, and I'm going to explain to you this formula. Generally this formula is just like this: the integral of u multiplied by the differential of v is equal to uv minus the integral of differential of u multiplied by v. Okay, something like that. This is the formula that we need to use. But where does this formula come from, guys? I just want you to remember that when we differentiate a function which is just a product of two functions, for example y is equal to uv, okay, so the differential, the derivative of y, right, is going to be calculated in this way. Okay, this formula exists in differentiation. So what also do we know about differentiation? If we differentiate a function and then if we integrate it, we get the original function. Okay, so if I integrate left side and if I integrate right side, here I'm going to get the original function, that is y is equal to, then if I open the brackets, I'm going to have the integral of the derivative of u multiplied by v plus the integral of the derivative of v multiplied by u. Okay, so making this the subject of formula, the integral of derivative of v multiplied by u, I'm going to get integral of v multiplied by u is equal to y minus the integral of the derivative of u multiplied by v. Okay, but from this first equation y is equal to uv, so I can rewrite the integral of derivative of v multiplied by u is equal to uv minus the integral of the derivative of u multiplied by v. So generally this is the formula that I'm going to use. Okay, and this is the same formula that is here. This is where it came from. Okay, so now in my integral now, in this question I have the integral of x ln x dx. So for me to be able to use this formula, I'm gonna need to choose one of either function to make it the derivative of v and the other to make it u. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to say ln x is going to be my u, x is going to be my derivative of v, So in my formula, I'm gonna need to know what v is equal to, and I'm gonna need to know what the derivative of u equal to. So generally here I'm going to say v is equal to, so v is just the integral of x, because here it's the derivative. So for me to get the function from its derivative, I need to integrate it. So I'm going to integrate x, so I'm going to get x squared divided by 2. So generally we need to write plus a constant, but for now we're not going to write it because it's not necessary. We are going to use it in the formula, and we're going to put the constant at the end. So I need to know what's the derivative of u again, since I have ln x. In my formula, I'm gonna need to know the derivative of u from here. Okay, so the derivative of ln x is just 1 over x. Okay, this is from the table of differentiation. It's just non-differential derivative. Okay, so now substituting into my formula, I have the integral of x ln x equal to, here this is going to be my u, so it's ln x multiplied by my v is going to be x squared divided by 2 minus the integral, the derivative of u is going to be 1 over x multiplied by v. My v is x squared divided by 2. Okay, I can simplify this, and I'm going to get x squared divided by 2 multiplied by ln x minus the integral of this x cancels with another x, so I'm going to be left with x divided by 2, and my answer is going to be found when I finish integrating x divided by 2. So you have a dx, and here I have dx, and here I have dx2. Okay, so I'm going to have x squared divided by 2 multiplied by ln x minus, then if I integrate this one, I'm going to get x squared divided by 4 plus a constant, and this is my answer. We have just finished. This is the end. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. This is all I had for you today, and we just integrated x ln x. And remember, in this video we had product of 2 functions, so we had to use another formula that I just showed you, and I showed you where the formula came from. Okay, so see you next time, guys. Stay tuned. There's a lot to come, and many subjects are going to come, and a lot of them you cannot finish. Just subscribe and enjoy. I'm sure if you like engineering, if you like sciences, and if you like technology, and you guys, this is our future. It's going to be engineering, technology, and science, and we're going to enjoy it. So just subscribe. Let's just get this done, and let's just know it. Let's just become engineers, scientists. Okay, so stay tuned, guys. See you next time.